Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin only if you know the existing password. This is the only legitimate way to cancel it. Open the desktop Excel file and make a manual backup copy in the same folder, because once you change protection, you want a fallback. Once done, launch Excel and open the backup. Go straight to File Info to access protection settings. Make sure to use the desktop app rather than a browser, as the removal controls appear only in the full client. You now remove the password itself. Open File, choose Info, then Protect Workbook and select Encrypt with Password. In the dialog box, carefully erase the existing password text field and click OK. Excel treats an empty field as no password and will remove encryption. If the workbook structure or sheet is separately protected, go to the Review tab and choose Unprotect Workbook or Unprotect Sheet, enter the same password, and confirm. This clears both file encryption and structural locks when you supply the correct password. You finish by saving the workbook and then closing and reopening it to confirm no password prompt appears. Make sure to save in the native XLSX format if the file came from older formats. This removes legacy protection markers. If the password you entered is rejected, do not try brute force. Restore the backup copy and double-check the correct password or source. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm you used the desktop Excel with the same account that created the file before proceeding further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.